Tired of endless coughs, allergies, and asthma? Repeating cycles taking your breath away? This Margashira Purnima, find relief with a unique Ayurvedic treasure banana medicine. This ancient remedy, offered only once a year, uses the power of bananas to clear congestion and soothe airways, reduce inflammation and ease breathing, boost natural immunity for long-lasting relief. No side effects, just pure Ayurvedic wisdom. Simply follow the doctor's advice and experience the freedom of easy, healthy breathing. Don't miss this opportunity. Register now and breathe easy again with Ayurvedic banana medicine.